Hi guys, I am Silpa and welcome to my channel Things to Learn by Silpa, where I upload new videos every Tuesday. Today's video is about properties of solid, liquid and gas. In this video, I will discuss 8 properties of solid, liquid and gas. The 8 properties are: number 1, mass; number 2, packing of particles; number 3, intermolecular force; number 4, shape; number 5, volume; number 6, fluidity; number 7, compressibility; and number 8, density. So let's begin the video. The first property is mass. Mass is the amount of matter present in an object. Solid has a definite mass, liquid also has a definite mass, and gas also has a definite mass. The second property is about packing of particles. By this I mean arrangement of particles in solid, liquid and gas. Solid particles are closely packed because solid have negligible interparticle spaces. Liquid particles are less closely packed than solid because liquid have interparticle spaces which are greater than solids, and gaseous particles are least closely packed because they have large intermolecular spaces. The third property is about intermolecular force. By intermolecular force, I mean the force of attraction between particles in a given substance. Now, solid has the strongest intermolecular force because there are negligible interparticle spaces in solid. Liquid has a weaker intermolecular force than solid because liquid has interparticle spaces which are greater than solids. Gas have least intermolecular forces because they have large interparticle spaces. Now the fourth point is about shape. Solid has a definite shape. Liquid does not have a definite shape. It acquires the shape of the container in which it is placed. Gas also does not have a definite shape. It also acquires the shape of the container. The fifth property is about volume. Volume means the amount of space occupied by an object. Now solid has a definite volume, liquid also has a definite volume, but gas does not have a definite volume. The sixth property is about fluidity. Fluidity means the ability of a substance to flow easily. Now solid does not possess fluidity, and so solid particles are rigid. Liquid possesses fluidity, that means liquid can flow. Gases also possess fluidity, that means gases can also flow. The seventh property is about compressibility. Compressibility means the capacity of a substance to get flattened or get reduced by pressure. Now we cannot compress solid because it have negligible interparticle spaces. Liquid can be compressible to a small extent because they have interparticle spaces which are greater than solids, and gases can be highly compressed because they have large interparticle spaces. The eighth property is about density. Density is the amount of mass per unit volume. Solid has high density, liquid has slightly lower density than solid, whereas gas have least density. Let's once again study the difference between solid, liquids and gases based on these 8 properties which we learnt now. So first one is mass. Solid has a definite mass, liquid also have a definite mass, gas also has a definite mass. Packing of particles. Solids particles are most closely packed. In liquids particles are less closely packed, whereas in gases particles are least closely packed. The third thing is about, or the third property is about intermolecular force. Intermolecular force is strongest in solid. Intermolecular force is slightly weaker than in solid. In gases, intermolecular force is negligible. Now the fourth property is about shape. Solids have a definite shape. Liquids acquires the shape of the container. Gases, they also acquire the shape of the container. Volume. properties. Solids have a definite volume, liquids have a definite volume, gases they have indefinite volume. Fluidity, solids not possible, fluidity not possible because solids are rigid. Liquids can flow, gases can also flow. The seventh property is about compressibility. Solids are not compressible and liquids, they are compressible almost negligible. To a small extent they can be compressible. Gases are highly compressible. Density, solids have high density, liquids have slightly lower density, whereas gases have very low density. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all liked watching my video. If you do like my video, then please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel Things to Learn by Silpa. Thank you for watching my video.